Our garlic bread, I believe, is completed. Gonna get a spatula quickly and have a quick look at what it looks like. Oh, those are looking perfect. All right, let's board them up. Looking pretty good. Let's have an initial. All right, so cheesy garlic bread. Let's see what this looks like. Let's see what this tastes like. All right, very texturized. Looks pretty good in the center. Nice and crunchy on the outside. And initial out of 10, I'll give it about a 7.5. Definitely recommended.